Yvonne, you've been quite involved with, actually all three of you have been quite involved in the development of this pack, which has been fantastic. Do you feel, I know this pack has been good, but is there any other kind of things that you feel would be worthwhile to come into place? And how's it been for you to be involved in the development of this?
It's been absolutely fantastic. We've been screaming at the top of our voices for the last, 5-6 years since I discovered Kinship Carers and walked in the door, and the first sentence out my mouth was we should have something in black and white that explains all the different sections, and discovering that there was a whole load of different statuses to kids in kinship care, and so having that booklet's a godsend, an absolute godsend, and it makes our job as part of a support group where Val, James and myself have sat up for the last 5 years and, like you say, read government papers, went through local authorities' policies and procedures of how they deal with these things, and having to take that to a kinship carer and say, do you understand that? Because it took us 5 years. Just impossible, but having that guide makes our job, it takes a huge weight off of us as support groups to be able to say to them, take that away and have a wee look or go through it with them, instead of having to explain maybe things 5 or 6 times to a carer. You're able to give them the book, they're able to come back and say, oh here, I know what that means, and if they're not sure, take them through the steps with it, and liaison, if they have a social worker, liaison with them on that to help them achieve what the goal is. So it's been brilliant, absolutely great.